It's our second morning hunting here in South Africa. We got on some animals yesterday, just some young rams, young bulls. So we're back at it this morning. We're starting where we started yesterday. Got my PH Christian over there, getting the camera all set up. Pretty cool the last 2 days. Actually, it was cold yesterday. Windy, so the wind died down quite a bit today. We're hoping the animals will be up on their feet a little bit more. Hopefully this afternoon we get a little sunshine that comes out as well, warm things up. Forecast looks great the next few days though. It's gonna be getting warmer, so we'll see what happens.
Nice one, buddy.
What do you do? Alright everybody, so I just shot my Sable. He come in really quick. I didn't get a chance to turn the GoPros on, but we did get the shot on film. We haven't gone 150, 200 yards from the blind. We heard him go down, so long day in the blind with my buddy Christian, my PH for this hunt, but it was well worth it. This is one of the main reasons I came to Africa.